everyone. This is Steve Venkateshwarlu, working as SGT at MPPS Ganditanda, Hindalwai Mandal, Nizamabad district. We know listening, speaking, reading and writing. These are the 4 skills in English. I want to make you to awareness, to transact, to teach the children in improving their listening abilities, in improving in reading abilities, motivate them to write their own tasks, writings, and make them to write creatively. Hope this video will help you to transact children. Please subscribe the channel. You can follow. You can share it if you like it. Thank you. Now, here is the first session. There are 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. Today I am going to transact a topic based on speaking skills. Here we have given a picture. We must have to make the children to ask so many questions to elicit the responses. Without their responses, we can't go to continue our lesson. So, by showing the picture, we must have to some questions. What type of questions we need to ask them? Already we know. Only content based questions should not help us to continue the lesson. That's why we have to ask them analytical questions, thought provoking questions. So based on the picture, we must have to pose so many questions. First, we should elicit the words which will help to frame sentences. Here, one picture is given. Kindly observe the picture. By showing the picture, we must have to ask, what do you see in the picture? The responses may be various. We have to elicit so many responses. See this picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, a house, some animals, some trees, a tractor. Okay, now we have to ask the children to find out more information from the picture. Here we go. Our next question will be, name the animals you see in the picture. Children might say cat, dog, sheep, rabbit, donkey and rat. Our next question will be, ask to get the responses about the birds which we see in the picture. So we can ask just like this: name the birds you see in the picture. And the responses may be hen, duck, peacock. Now we need to get more information. So again we are asking another question: where are the birds and animals in the picture? And the response may be the birds and the animals are in the fields or meadow or nearby the house. These responses we must have to write on the board. Again we might ask the people, what else do you see in the picture of the farm? Already in previous question we learned that birds and animals are in the farm. We can see some vehicles also in the picture. We see tractor. The next question: how the animals are helpful to people? To get this answer, we might have to pose some questions. Among them, how can the cat help us? Children may say, cat help us by killing rats. We know rats make much damage by eating grains in the houses. So students might imagine, they think that cat helps by killing rats. Our next question based on the picture is, what do we get from the sheep? And the response may be, we will get wool from the sheep. We have to write the sentence. And by showing the picture again, we ask the children about the rabbit. Children, see the rabbit in the picture. What is the rabbit doing in the picture? They definitely say, rabbit is eating carrot. Already the words rabbit and carrot supplied in the beginning of our lesson. Children, there are so many animals and birds in the picture. Which one is your favorite and why it is your favorite animal or favorite bird? We have to give scope to them to speak about the animal or the bird which they like most. So this is the interaction part. This is a picture interaction part which will generate among the children to listen the questions and improve the ability of speaking. By this activity, we might achieve the first skill among the four and second skill among the four, like listening and speaking. We should have to give such examples to elicit responses, to give scope for the children to speak about more about the picture. Hope this session is helpful to us, showing the picture, asking the children, eliciting the responses, writing on the board, and ask the children to read the words. So many times we must have to pose so many questions based on the picture. It may generate improvement in listening and speaking skills. Thank you for listening. I will come by taking reading part and reading skill in the next session. Thank you.